Alright, what up guys? So this is the legendary Toyota 20R engine here. And the plan here is to refresh this engine up and put it into the Chinook. So this engine, quick backstory, this engine sat for about a year in my yard. It came out of a 76 Toyota pickup and it's in pretty good condition. The guy who I got it from said it ran fine when he pulled it out. I did run a leak down test with the compressor and found that the engine does seem to be in good health. So since the engine's in good health, I'm going to go ahead and start tearing down this engine. My plan here for this one is to clean it all up, break everything down to the head and the block. I'm not going to tear apart the block. I'm not going to get into the pistons and anything internal like that, but I am going to just tear it all down, refresh, all new gaskets, clean everything up, and just kind of give it a refresh in that sense. So the leak down test said it's good, so I'm hoping that internally everything is fine with this engine. So there's only one way to find out, so I'm gonna go ahead and break it all down for you guys and try and get some shots along the way. Alright guys, well at this point we got most of the engine stripped down. I got the exhaust manifold removed, I got the intake manifold removed, and just the fan, belt, alternator, power steering pump, all this stuff on the front. So at this point I'm just going to continue on. Still have to take off the pulley, still have to take out the distributor, and just some other things, just some brackets and whatnot, but pretty much that's pretty much it. I mean, there's an engine mount, obviously. I'm going to take out all that stuff because the plan here is to go in and clean the entire engine. So I decided I'm actually not going to separate the head from the block, because like I said, I did a leak down test and the engine seems to be in good shape, so I don't want to compromise the seal of the head gasket to proactively change it. So like the saying, if it's not broken, don't fix it, So I'm going to stick to the other plan, which is to clean everything up. I mean, there's tons of gunk, all over the engine. So I like to clean up all the gunk and reseal everything, maybe repaint. Yeah, so I'm going to continue on with a few more things. Like I said, the pulley, the distributor, drain the oil, might go forth with some of that stuff, and then just start chipping away at cleaning this thing up. Anyways, I'm going to get back to it. Alright guys, well that's pretty much it for taking apart before cleaning. So at this point all I'm going to do is leave it how it is and then go ahead and get this block and head combo cleaned. So yeah, the goal here is to clean off all of the oil and old gunk that's on there and paint this thing, clean it up, reseal it, and get this engine back in the Chinook. So with that being said, the next step is to just start cleaning it up. So I'm going to do all that in another video, so stay tuned for that. And if you like this, give a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe and stay tuned for future videos. So I'll catch you guys in the next one.